Hello everybody, hope you're all okay. My fans are throwing a party from me tonight. They've organised a fairground, fireworks, all my fans, all my fan mail, all my thousands what write to me on YouTube. They're throwing a party, as you can see. Oh, there's thousands. They're all throwing a party for me. Fairground, fireworks. I've got thousands. Top card reader, the top card reader. I'm going to try and do some card reading if I can. I'll probably be the first on YouTube to do card reading with all this lot, with thousands here. Top card reader if I manage to do a card reading with this lot. I'm going to have one or two parts, part one, part two, because I want to film quite a lot, you know. There's loads of fans, all my fans, thousands of fans, just fantastic. They're all here to support me. They're not coming up to me because I don't think they can recognise me, but they're all here for me, every one of them. Hiya, all on YouTube, yeah, great, fantastic. Just show round with camera. Just that camera go around. Oh, this is great, best night ever with all these fans. I might do a reading, get a card reading done early, if I can. I'll get into light and do a card reading. So I'll get into light and I might get to do a card reading outside with all my fans. Isn't that great, top card reader? Who'd have thought that, eh? Who'd have thought? Shouting me fans, you can hear me fans. You know. I'll just go over here where it's a bit lighter. Can catch light. Here. Just got my secretary to open. Can you open cards top so I can get to them, please? It's my secretary. She don't want to come on camera because she's called Carol. Right, our first card tonight. And that is Archangel Raphael sending healing to everybody. Can you see it? I don't think I can read it, I'll have a go. Raphael helps you heal in mind, body and spirit. That's our first card reading. That's a card reading. See if I can go into light with this. Oh, that's better. That is chosen. Make a difference to people's lives. So you've got to make a difference to someone's lives, you know, make that difference. Right, our third card reading. Get on it, just move again. Third card reading. That is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself and follow your dreams. So you've got to follow your dreams out there and believe in yourself, eh? Still. That's a good card reading here. Try to get best card reading so you can have card reading. That is look up, look forward, welcome your new development for your personal change. You can take that. Have we, final card is it? Our final card, what my secretary's handed me. Fireworks is going to be down here, straightforward, about 8:30.
So where are we going to stand?
Just round here.
Oh, you can't go in there, no?
Oh no,
Is that
no.
what we paid £5 for?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm in a leg in it.
What's that?
£5, quite expensive, isn't
It is, it's quite expensive, but you've got your fare.
Yeah, but you've got to pay £2.50 here.
I know, no.
Can't afford it.
I'm just doing a card reading for you, YouTube. I'm pretending I've got thousands of fans. Can you see that one? And that is believe in yourself and follow your dreams. They're doing card readings. That was one of my fans. He didn't recognise me because there's that many people out here. But that was one of my fans, wanting to know if there was firework display down here. And me and my secretary told them, right, I'll end part one. There's going to be a few parts, so I'm going to try and film the fairground and some fireworks. So, what? Firework display? Yeah, fairground and fireworks.
What do they do for you?
Oh yeah, yeah, they do. They're having fireworks display for me, and they're having. They've got the fairground for me. So they've got the fairground and they've got fireworks all for me. But I'll be filming quite a few, so we'll have it part 1, part 2. So catch you on the next video. Great stuff.